Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to capture and insert a digital signature into Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly add your electronic signature to any spreadsheet, making it easy to sign off on forms, mark approvals, or give documents that personal touch, all from within Google Sheets. So let's dive right in. First things first, before we get started inside Google Sheets, you need to have your digital signature saved as a PNG file. This is important because PNG formats support transparent backgrounds, so your signature won't have an unwanted white box around it. It will blend over your sheet seamlessly. If you haven't created a digital signature yet, you can simply sign your name on a blank piece of paper, take a clear photo, and use an app or an online tool to crop and save it as a PNG. If you already have one on hand, great, you're one step ahead. Now open up your Google Sheets document, maybe it's a timesheet, an approval form, or any document you want to sign. Next, look towards the top menus and click on Insert. This is where all the magic happens for adding new elements to your sheet. From the dropdown that appears, hover your mouse over Image. Here you'll see two options pop up: Insert Image in Cell and Insert Image over Cells. Let's pause here for a second, this is important. Insert Image in Cell will place the image directly inside one single cell, almost like how you'd insert a number or a word. The size will be fixed and it may scale down your signature quite a bit. Insert Image over Cells, on the other hand, lets your signature float on top of the cells so you can resize and position it exactly where you want. For signatures, I always recommend using Insert Image over Cells. This way, your signature looks more natural, like you've signed right on the paper. So go ahead and select Insert Image over Cells. Now you'll get a prompt to either upload an image from your computer or choose from Drive or Photos. Click on Upload if you have your signature saved locally and then click Browse. At this point, you just need to look through your folders for that PNG signature file. Maybe it's on your desktop or in your downloads. If it takes a minute to find, don't worry, just take your time. Once you've found it, select it and click Open. Google Sheets will process the image for just a few seconds and then voila, your digital signature appears on your spreadsheet. You can click and drag it to position it exactly where you need, maybe at the bottom of the sheet or next to an approval row. You can also click the corners to resize it to fit just right. And that's it, you've inserted your electronic signature. This simple process can save you a ton of time if you regularly need to sign digital documents, and it gives your Google Sheets a professional, authenticated look. If you ever need to update your signature, just delete the image and follow these same steps to add a new one. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you want to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on useful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.